In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to paint this unique skull camouflage. For prep, we recommend full disassembly, degreasing, and abrasive blasting. The base coat for this project is white. The stencils we're using in this video are Skulls Pack C and Web A, available on our website freedomstencils.com or by clicking the link in the description below. I like to place the webbing on a tech mat to help dumb down the tackiness, which will be useful later. Next, we'll start applying skull stencils. The effect looks best if the skulls are stacked in groups and slightly overlapping. Our second color is a flat dark earth. With our second color cure, we'll outline and fill our skull piles in black. Next, we'll grab our mesh. With the adhesive dumbed down, we can utilize it as if it was a cloth mesh and stitch together the pattern. We'll remove our skull stencils in reverse order, touching up the overlaps in black. Once the skull pile is fully revealed, we can give it some detail. We'll repeat these steps for the remaining skull piles. And that's how you paint this unique skull camouflage. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comments below. You can also support this channel by visiting freedomstencils.com. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.